DeepSeek AI is a company that specializes in large language models and generative artificial intelligence. It is based in China and has gained attention for developing open-source AI models that are comparable in scale and capability to leading international models, such as those created by OpenAI and Google. Their AI systems are designed to understand and generate human-like text, making them useful for a variety of applications, including search engines, education, customer service, and content creation. At its core, DeepSeek AI's technology relies on neural networks trained on extensive datasets from the internet. This training enables the AI to answer questions, translate languages, write essays, summarize texts, and even perform complex reasoning. By making some of their models open source, DeepSeek AI allows developers worldwide to build custom applications, experiment with AI capabilities, and advance research in the field. One distinctive feature of DeepSeek AI is its focus on supporting Chinese language tasks, contributing to improved natural language understanding for Chinese users. However, their models also handle English and other languages, helping bridge technology gaps and expand global AI collaboration. DeepSeek AI is part of a broader movement in artificial intelligence, where transparency, accessibility, and responsible deployment of powerful models are key goals. As AI research progresses, organizations like DeepSeek AI play an essential role in shaping the future of human-computer interaction and the ethical use of advanced technologies.